Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. We are just headed out to go pick up some groceries and we are going to get Dairy Queen. It is like the last week before the kids go back to school, so just trying to make at least it a little bit fun. But we are just headed out. Let me show you my outfit. For the day, I have this Levi's t-shirt on that I got at Marshall's, my Amazon bum bag, and a black pair of leggings. Nothing exciting. Cleaning around the house. I got my huge cup of water and my keys. So we are gonna go pick up groceries and then we're gonna clean out the garage and I need to go to the garage. That's where I'm on my way to. We need to clean out the refrigerator and I'm gonna share with you our meal plan as well. So let's go find the kids. We ready, Freddies?
Yeah. I was just saying hi to Isaac.
Oh, okay. Where are we going, guys? Where are we going?
Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen.
Wait, Dairy Queen. It's a Dairy Queen.
Yes.
Because I'm Layton's Dairy Queen.
You're Layton's Dairy and you're the queen?
No, I'm Dairy. Layton's the queen. How about,
Like it.
how about me? No, I'm the piece of poop. Layton's
Let's go get some ice cream. Hey. What'd everybody get?
a chicken nugget.
It's chicken nugget. Layton, what'd you get?
Chocolate dip.
Yep. Austin, what'd you get?
I told you, a chicken nugget.
A nugget. Girl Scout brownie.
He got, Girl Scout brownie.
Girl Scout. What is it called? What is it? I got my usual. It's just huge. Chocolate ice cream with chocolate jimmy. So. All right, we are home. I have everything laid out. I think there was only 2 substitutions. And it was just, they gave me, I ordered like a salt grinder, but they gave me like it already ground up. And the deli meat, I ordered a small thing of deli ham and they gave me a bigger one, so for the same price. So let me flip you around and show you what we got. All right, nothing is very neat and orderly, but we needed some more eggs, so I got just their brand of the cage-free brown eggs. 2 things of Texas toast to go with pasta for the next couple weeks. School is starting next week, so I'm just stocking up a little bit on some stuff. So some juice boxes. These are not the kind I typically like to get, but they, oh yeah, flavored 100% juice. I saw this 100% juice and I thought it might be a better option because like I said, I ordered online, but it's fine. They don't drink it that often. So I got 2 things of this diced chicken breast. I like these to make like for salads or just some meal prep. So I got 2 of those. We are going to be having tacos tonight. So I got, everyone's home too. So I got 2 things, or this is 2.5 pounds, I think, of all natural lean ground beef. I got some buffalo chicken for Brendan for his sandwiches. Some white deli cheese because we were running low on that. Some of this honey ham, the family size. Like I said, they substituted for the bigger pack. We got a bunch of yogurt. Daddy yogurts, if you guys have been here a long time, that's what the kids call those. They love the Oreo yogurts. I think they're like the Yoplait yogurts with the Oreos in them. They also love these, and it's just a better option because there's, let's see, 8 grams of protein and less sugar. So, I mean, there's still a good amount of sugar in it, but less than those, and it's a little bit healthier having Greek yogurt. So, 2 of my favorite coffees, the Stoke Cold Brew. Those are 0 points if you guys are doing Weight Watchers or anything like that, or just watching your calories. Low calorie, absolutely delicious. This is my favorite coffee creamer. I'm going to be making some breakfast sandwiches and doing a bunch of meal prep. So I got 2 things of English muffins, some small yellow potatoes, some small, whoops, loose apple, small red potatoes, a big bag of sweet potatoes, bananas, apples. I'm gonna make this whole loaf I'm gonna use as Uncrustables and have them in the fridge, or excuse me, freezer, ready to go for the kids. I have an avocado for avocado toast this week. 2 of these rolls, like Brennan's been working, like I said, outside, so he's been taking sandwiches, so I got 2 packs of those, 1 to put in the freezer, 1 for the rest of this week to go with the deli meat. Just a loaf of bread for any other kind of sandwiches. Some, what do you call these? Tortillas. I should read the package, huh? These, I have some in the freezer, but I ordered some just to have tonight for taco night. I got some of these too because the kids always love the crunchy ones, but they're always stale, honestly. So I got some, this box is kind of a mess, but I got some of these Cliff Builders protein bars to try. Chocolate peanut butter, there's 20 grams of protein, 2 pounds of strawberries, and then this salt, like I said. So we're going to get everything put away now. Alright, so this is our meal plan for the next few days because we are then going away. So we have tacos, which I have got going on the stove right now. I don't know why my camera's so blurry. There we go. We're gonna do chicken stir fry. It's like a bunch of stuff that we have left over, and some rice, and then that chicken that I bought, and then some barbecue chicken and sweet potatoes, and then breakfast for dinner. And then the night before we leave, we will clean out the fridge. All right, Leighton is gonna show you her back handspring on the grass. So easy for her. Whoa. Try again, it wasn't focused anyway. Ready? Good job, now do your round off back handspring. Okay, just be careful. Good job! All right, so that is it for this video. That is our meal plan, grocery haul, and all of that stuff. Oh, now Leighton wants to show you her aerial. Hold on. Oh, so close. You want to try again? Yeah. Okay.
And then I'll just do it on the table.
Whoa! All right, now Macy wants to come out, but that is the end of this video. We got our grocery haul done and put everything away and have our meal plan done. So if you guys have not yet subscribed, make sure you do. It's crazy. She's over here. She's out in this thing all day long. Jumping, jumping, jumping. make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.